In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best mini scuba tanks available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the mini scuba tanks mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, THAIITONEE Mini Scuba Diving Tank. The THAIITONEE Mini Scuba Diving Tank is an excellent choice for beginners and short dives, providing 5 to 12 minutes of underwater breathing with its 0.5 L oxygen cylinder. It supports 3 inflation methods: manual pump, aqualung, and electric inflator. A luminous instrument ensures visibility underwater, while the pressure-reducing valve guarantees safe air release. Lightweight and compact, it's easy to carry and store. Enjoy the thrill of scuba diving at an affordable price with this portable tank. Number 4, QDWETS Mini Scuba Diving Tank. The QDWETS Mini Scuba Diving Tank is designed for portability and convenience, offering 5 to 10 minutes of dive time. Weighing little and airplane-friendly, it's perfect for travel. It features 3 inflation options for extended recreational use and delivers up to 170 underwater breaths when fully charged. The tank's durable build ensures safety, while its compact size makes it ideal for quick underwater adventures, snorkeling, and exploration. Experience the freedom of diving anytime, anywhere. Number 3, Kaalee Mini Scuba Diving Tank SD600. The Kaalee SD600 Mini Scuba Diving Tank prioritizes safety and durability with its pressure relief valve, multi-layer corrosion-resistant treatment, and high-pressure resistance. Its advanced air filter ensures clean, breathable air, while the custom dust cap protects the air inlet nozzle from damage. Lightweight and easy to use, it is an ideal choice for casual divers and underwater explorers. Whether snorkeling or shallow diving, this tank offers a reliable and secure underwater breathing experience. Number 2, DEDEPU Mini Diving Cylinder. The DEDEPU Mini Diving Cylinder is a high-quality, refillable scuba tank perfect for snorkeling and recreational diving. Its robust design includes a manual high-pressure pump and a scuba adapter for quick refills from larger tanks. With a focus on portability, it's great for travel and adventure. DEDEPU also provides excellent after-sales service, ensuring customer satisfaction. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced diver, this reliable and compact tank enhances your underwater exploration experience. Number 1, THAISTONE Mini Scuba Diving Air Tank. The THAISTONE Mini Scuba Diving Air Tank is built with aviation-grade 6061 aluminum, making it highly resistant to pressure and seawater corrosion. With a 1L capacity, it provides 15 to 25 minutes of underwater breathing. It supports manual high-pressure pumps and electric inflators for quick and easy refills. Durable, lightweight, and portable, it is ideal for deep snorkeling, underwater photography, and recreational diving. Enjoy a safe and extended diving experience with this high-quality, long-lasting scuba tank.